सुनने के लिए बैठी है तो ये बैठे नहीं बोले, मेरी माँ बैठी थी उस टाइम जब इसने बयान दिया था।
We're getting some breaking inputs now. 24 hours after the Slapgate saga, Kangana Ranaut has reached the parliament for the NDA meeting. So Kangana Ranaut, remember, also released a video. In the video, she spoke about a rise in extremism in Punjab and leveled some accusations as well. Now we're getting reports and visuals as well of Kangana Ranaut reaching the parliament. We'll try and connect with our reporters to get you more details. 24 hours after the Slapgate saga, Kangana Ranaut is at the parliament for the mega NDA meet, which is going to take place at around 11 a.m. During this meeting, Narendra Modi will be elected as the leader of the NDA. These are visuals coming in on one hand from the Chandigarh airport when the Slapgate happened. On the other hand, visuals of Kangana Ranaut reaching the parliament. Kangana Ranaut also released a video after this incident and spoke about the issue of extremism as well. Now, there are many who are condemning the act, but then there are those who are questioning the anger against the Bharatiya Janata Party, in a way justifying what happened. There are those who are saying that this shows the anger that people feel when it comes to BJP and their stand on farm laws, and then there are those who have outrightly, of course, condemned the entire incident. The first video that is playing out after the Slapgate, the CISF woman constable, in fact, justifying her act, spoke about Kangana Ranaut's statement wherein she said, 100 रुपए लेकर प्रदर्शन में बैठे हैं, and the woman constable goes on to say that will she sit there because her mother was a part of that protest. We have Mohit joining us on the broadcast. Mohit, Kangana Ranaut has reached the parliament. Did she speak to the media? Did she say anything?
Well, Swati, Kangana Ranaut has reached parliament for the NDA meet, but she did not make any statement when she was asked about that what exactly happened yesterday at the airport. Though she has officially given out a statement, she did not speak to the media. She has reached parliament for the NDA parliamentary party meet, but given the fact that the media tried to ask her that what exactly happened, what does she have to say on the incident, she did not make any statement. So clearly, Kangana Ranaut yesterday came out with her side on the video, and we know for a fact that how the Jawan in that particular video, accused in that particular video, is being suspended. But Kangana Ranaut has reached the parliament, and she has as of now not made any statement on the yesterday's incident.
All right, so no statement made by Kangana Ranaut after reaching the parliament on yesterday's statement, but Mohit, she did release a video, and in that video, Kangana Ranaut spoke about not just this incident, but in a way connected it to extremism. Okay, I believe we've lost that line with Mohit. Those are visuals of Kangana Ranaut reaching the parliament. Now, there is no end to politics over the issue. On one hand, there are netas who have condemned the incident, and on the other, there are those who are justifying the act by talking about the anger among people against the BJP and that the party must now provide security to its leaders. Some of the farm leaders have also justified the act and demanded that there should be no action against the CISF Jawan. Listen in.
I condemn the attack on well-known actress Kangana Ranaut ji, who is also a present member of parliament now. The attack on Kangana Ranaut by the security guard at the airport, the CISF security guard at the airport, reminds me of attack on Mrs. Gandhi, Indira Gandhi, by her own security guard. It raises an alarm as to how safe are we with the hands of these security guards who are supposed to protect us from undue attacks. I therefore, as a citizen of this country, demand the immediate arrest of this officer, and she should be put behind the bars, because her act today has really frightened the people of this country.
बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट हुआ है जो भी हुआ है, और चंडीगढ़ में एयरपोर्ट पे जहां सुरक्षा की पूरी व्यवस्था है, सुरक्षा कर्मी ही इस प्रकार से व्यवहार करें, और मैं समझता हूँ कि बहुत अनफॉर्चुनेट, और हमने कहा कि उसमें कार्रवाई होनी चाहिए, और मुझे जानकारी मिली है कि उनको सस्पेंड कर दिया है, और बाकी आगामी कार्रवाई उसमें होनी है इन्वेस्टिगेशन के बाद। लेकिन बहुत दुर्भाग्यपूर्ण है ये सारी चीज़।